welcome back again to my channel. So recently I've been selected as Etude's 6 Beauty Scent Club. So actually this program has started from January, but I've been receiving educations like how to become a beauty creator, how to edit videos, how to manage YouTube and stuff like that, like tips to become a beauty creator. So starting like March, I'll be getting products from Etude and I'll be doing review probably like 2 or 3 times a month. So for you guys who really love Etude products and Korean beauty, please subscribe my channel if you haven't, so you can stay updated to Etude's newest product. So as you can see in the title, in this video I'm going to talk about Etude's newest product, which is the eyeshadow palette. It's the Play Color Eyes Mini Objet. It came out in 4 shadows, and here I have 2 shadows of French Rose Teapot and Peach Shell Tray. And if you want to know how to do this makeup look, let's just get started. Before we start makeup, let's prep our face first. And I'm going to use the newest skincare from Etude, from the Jung line. So it's a Cica Relief Toner Pad. It's simple because you just need to take one piece of cotton pad, one piece of pad, and just apply it all over your face. It's really moisturizing, and it's also really safe for sensitive skin because it says like it's pure and mild, and then it's advanced Cica, and it's also like sensitive skin calming care. Yeah. And also I like to put on some on my neck too. Yeah. Okay, there you go. After that, let's start with makeup. Okay, first for the base, I'm going to use foundation from Etude, which is the very famous foundation. I guess all of you have known. It's the double lasting foundation. And this one, I got it in the shade actually kind of lighter than what I used to wear. Usually I wear like shade 23, but this time I got 21, but it's a neutral shade, so I hope it should be fine. So this is like their newest packaging, so it's a small one, smaller than the previous one. Yeah, I like to spread it like that. Roughly spreading it with my finger and layer. I like to use I look so weird. I like to use a puff to smooth it out all. Looking good. Like I really used this foundation like probably the first time it came out. Like it was like in 2016. It was very famous too back then. Like everyone, like all the beauty bloggers, beauty herbs, like where it was wear this foundation is just like very famous. But then I tried other products, but then now I'm trying again their newest formulation, I guess this one. You know what? I think my skin got brighter because I never used shade number 21. But I think it's not too white on me. It's doing well. And it really blends in. Like for coverage, I don't know if I'm in a point to talk about it because I don't really have anything to cover. But it really makes my skin look good, right? And the color is the shade is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna use some concealer and get back to you. Okay, so I've put on some concealers because my dark circles are really bad, and also put on some powders to set the concealer. And let's get started to the main part. Okay, so the main part for today's video is Etude's newest collection, which is like a teeny tiny eyeshadow palette called the Play Color Eyes Mini Objet. So these are the 2 of the 4 newest collections. So here I got the shade Peach Shell Tray and French Rose Teapot. So it's really cute and small. You can just open it like this and it comes out. That. Look how small this is. It's really small and compact that you can just put it on the pocket of your pants. Yeah, right, the pocket in your pants, on your pants. Yeah, just put it in the pocket, because look at this. It's really small, but it has 4 colors, which is really convenient. So you can just bring this little teeny tiny eyeshadow and touch up your eyeshadow, or maybe for like daylight you just use the bright colors, and then on the night you just add the brown color to make it a night look makeup. So in this video, as I've asked in Instagram which color is prettier, which one should I use, let me check now. So the second color, they said the second color is prettier. So the second color is the French Rose Teapot, and I agree with you guys. So let's just get started. Okay, so first for the base, I'm going to use the blush Rose Gold, this one, for the base. It really applies really well, like the color just comes out right away. Okay, next, after applying the base shadow, I'm going to use the second color, royal pink color, on the edge, like on the edge of the eyes. You gotta put it okay, and then next, for the next color, I'm going to use the rosewood color for the eyeliner. I think I'm not going to use any eyeliner today for a daily look. Making the wing and then drag it all the way on the line. The color is really pretty. It really reflects the name rosewood. Like, it's not too brown. It's so pretty. The brown is really soft. I really liking it. And last thing, Eyeshadow. So like, I gotta put some glitters on the underline. Oh wait. I'm going to line the end of my underline too. Here. Okay, finally the Eyeshadow. Maybe a little bit on the corner too. Wow, there's some glitter there. Okay, so I'm done with the eyeshadow. I really like the color, and that's because I'm going to skip eyeliner for today because it's just going to be like a daily makeup. So let's, oh wait a minute, I also got this. This is also really famous, but I never used a mascara fixer before, but let me try this because like, actually you cannot see my eyelashes now, but actually my eyelashes is not that short. It's kind of okay, but it kinda goes down. It doesn't lift up, okay. So you can't really see my eyelashes, but this thing, the Dr. Mascara Fixer, will hold up your lashes. So let's try that. Okay, so it's clear like that. And let's put it on. you see my eyelashes now? Don't want to look so weird. Yeah, they look, even though like no color, but in here I can see the difference. Like it's kind of more fuller, something like that. Yeah, like more fuller. Okay, now let's put on some mascara. Also one of the most used mascara by me if I wanted to find something waterproof. Curl Fix by Etude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Using that Doctor mascara and plus this one, I don't need fake lashes. Look at my eyelashes, they're really long. Wow. Now I've done the eyeshadow, let's move on to cheeks. So I'm going to just use this palette for the blush too, and I think the most suitable color is this one, the royal pink. And because it's really small, I'm just going to use my finger and put it on my cheeks. Wow! It's really a pretty color for a blush though. Oh my god, I look like I'm blushing. Next, finally, it's for lips. For lips, I'm going to try their newest collection too, the Powder Veil Lip Stock, this one. And because like all the makeup is already pink tone, so this is called Pink Glaciers shade. Oh my god! The package is so pretty. Look. Looks like this. Let's try it on. Ah, I think it's a nice color. Okay, so here guys, the final look. What do you think? Is it really a nice makeup for spring? I think it's really nice for spring. Like, I really like the color, like the pink and also the brown from this shade. Like, I don't know, somehow the vibe from this color is so... Yes, it's named French Rose Teapot, like you're drinking tea in a French cafe. It's really pretty, like even you can just bring this one eye palette, put it in your pocket, and you can do your eyeshadow, eyeliner, and blush. Okay, thank you guys very much for watching this video. I hope you really like it. And for you guys who want to get this palette, there will be launch officially on 1st of March. So if you really like the colors, don't forget to go and grab yours. So thank you once again, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.